Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a sweet spring card using the Days Like This, Memories and More card pack, along with the banner saying stamp set and the stylish shapes dies, okay? But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We first have our Lakeside Retreat Paper Pumpkin Kit that is going to make 9 cards inspired by tranquil waterside scenes. Peaceful Pine is going to be the classic stamping spot. And we have the Wonderful Scenes add-on dies available for $13. The item number is 168665. Those dies coordinate with April, May, and June Paper Pumpkin Kits. And I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin if you have not already done so. Next, we have our product of the month. Notes of Spring is the March 2026 product of the month. It's a 15 stamp set, 2-step stamping. So that means you'll take one image to color in the other. So we have a couple of images and some sentiments. You can get this exclusive product for only $5 when you spend $75 or more in a single order before shipping and tax, after all of your discounts, okay? Lastly, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders, $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. You redeem those rewards on future orders, and you track and save those rewards in your Stampin' Up! Account. Rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date. All right, so that is all of our buzzworthy business of the day. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. Okay, so we are going to start by letting you know that Kendra's Card Challenge 21 Sketch 13 is what we're going to be using for our card today. I will have a link in the description box for you to go over to Kendra's Patreon to get her free PDF. And it is free on, you can sign up for free on Patreon. You don't have to pay unless you want extra perks, because she does offer extra perks if you get a paid membership, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is get our inside done. And I have some Secret C here that is 5 by 3 3/4. Basic white is 3.5 by 4 3/4. We have a 3/4 inch piece of one of the cards from the card pack, from the Memories and More card pack. I have to be careful with this glue. I don't want to squirt out too much. And we're just gonna get this glued on here for our inside. I don't know what order these videos are going to come in, but I'm doing a couple of Kendra Cards sketches using basically the same products. I might change up the stamp set, but they're all going to be using the Memories and More card pack. I'm trying to use one of each card, at least one. I'm going to use more than some of them. I'm using like 2 of the same card pieces, but I want to use at least one, each one of them one time. So let's go ahead and get these 2 things put together. Ooh. The Secret C is like the black. Playing with my eyes, I can't see. Yeah, that is not straight. Let's see if I can peel that up a little bit. Yeah. Come on. Let's get a little bit more adhesive on here and try that again. And this time, if it's not straight, it's going to have to... Ooh, that's straight, but I'm too far down. Okay. We're going to get this. I don't think this is 5. This is not 5. This is probably 3 5/8 by 4 7/8, because this is a small border. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and glue this to the inside of our card base, which is, what is our card base? Daffodil Delight, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. So let's go ahead and get this put into our card base. That is so pretty, and we haven't even started on the card yet. Okay, so I am going to do some die cutting before we get started on anything else. So let me get my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And we have the 4th from the middle stylish shaped circle. And we have some Flirty Flamingo cardstock here we're going to die cut out. Okay, so we have that done. Let's get this die set to the side here. And then we're going to take a 2-inch circle punch. And we're going to punch out. I'm using one of the Memories and More cards again. And I'm trying to decide if I want to punch it here to get that big butterfly and you get most of it. Or if I want to punch over here and get the little butterfly with little pieces of the other. But I feel like I want more color. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and do it on this side, and I'm gonna have to get it right close to the edge and punch it out. And I can use the rest of this for something else. Okay, and then we're gonna layer these 2 pieces together. Do I wanna, wait, I think I wanna stamp on this. That's what I wanna do. I'm like, something is not right. I wanna stamp on this. I'm using Secret Sea ink. And my sentiment says, you're the sweetest. I think I just stuck my finger in the ink. And hopefully this will show up over those dots, all the little splatter dots it has on here. Oh, that shows up perfect. That's pretty. Okay, that's the only stamping we're going to be doing. So I think I want to pop this up on dimensionals. So let me get some Stampin' Dimensionals here. There's one stuck to the back. So let's put a few dimensionals, just a few. Not gonna go overboard this time. You guys know I love to use some dimensionals, boy. I go through these things. And we're just gonna put this on here. This is gonna have the smallest little border. But it's so pretty. Ooh, that's cute. Okay. And I might pop that up. I don't know. So now we have some Secret Sea here. And then we have our strips from the Memories and More card pack. And we are going to add, these are all from the same card. I just cut them in 3 different pieces. So we are going to add, let's see. Okay, these are all the same size except for the middle one. I just wanted to make sure because that one looked kind of big. And I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's little yellow speckles on this part. And I want to put them one this way and one that way. Like this. Glue. Glue. Maybe I should lay it out first because it's going to go edge to edge. But up and down, there's going to be a little bit of a border. So I need to lay it out to make sure I'm leaving enough border. Just like this. Just put this right. Oh my goodness, did I flip this? I done put this on here to line it up and got the card on the wrong side. Yep. I don't want to use the back of that because you can see. I think that's about where I need it. If not, we'll make it work. I'm going to put the middle one back on here so I can glue this one on. Making sure I got the yellow dots on that side, so this one I need the yellow dots on the other side. That looks kind of crooked. Goodness gracious. I almost said great balls of fire. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's pretty late. I'm sleepy. Sometimes when I get sleepy, I get a little silly. Let me see. Okay, I think I have a little bit of overhang on this one. Just gonna cut that off. Then we're gonna add this piece on. Right down the middle. Ooh. Smooth out that glue. I don't want it squirting out. So let's put this right in the middle here. I did pretty good with the spacing. Ooh. Okay. That's pretty good. Then we have one more little piece to add on. It's a little banner. And this also came from the same sheet of cardstock. I mean, it's not cardstock, is it? Memories of More card. This was a 4x6. Because you get 3x4 and 4x6. And I'm going to put this about right here. Ooh, because it has grids, I can use that line to make sure I'm straight, huh? We're going to put that there. Then we can put this whole thing. Oh, there's a little hangover right here. We're going to cut that off. Then we're going to put this. Now I'm seeing hangover everywhere. How did I not see it the first time? Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Let's get this glued on to our card base. Oh my gosh, Shauna. Slow down. Slow it down. That's the top, like this. Card. Ooh, these colors together are gorgeous. I'm gonna put that there. Then we're gonna have this over here. Do I want? No, I'm gonna lay that on flat. I was gonna pop it up, but I changed my mind. You guys, again, I will have a link on my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com and also down in the description box below on how you can get this card challenge sketches. 15 different card sketches. And she makes these cards from using 6 different pieces of 6x6 designer series papers. And she'll give you all the cutting guides on how to cut each piece of paper and which piece of paper is going to be used on which card. Okay, so now all we have to do is add our bling. So we have the low profile dots. Again, I think these are on the last chance list if they have not sold out. So this one, what colors do I want to use? I think I want to use this. These are Darling Duckling, and this is Daffodil Delight, but it's close enough for me. And I think, oh yeah, I'm gonna try to bring out that yellow down there. Let's put, I'll put one up here. I want a small one though. I think I want to put it right there. Oh boy, you know what? I like these dots. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do 5. Let's put one right here. Call it done. Okay, you guys, this is our card. You're the sweetest. Isn't that pretty? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.